Hello everyone, welcome back. We would like to write a program that takes a user input for current temperature level and prints a recommendation. For example, hi, stay hydrated. Here I'm having one enumeration to be defined for temperature levels, low, medium, and high. So this is my enumerations. It is my enum called temperature level. I'm using enum keyword to declare it. Then it has three elements, low, medium, and high. So they're not equal to 0, 1, and 2. So I can do it, or I can simply eliminate them. So even if I eliminate them, it is going to start from 0. Okay, so low equals 0, medium equals 1, and high equals 2 by default. So they are by default equal to that. We can eliminate writing them down. So I'm having a variable called temp level. I'm asking the user enter temperature level 0 for low, 1 for medium, and 2 for high. And we are going to store whatever the user is entering in the temp level variable. And we are having the switch statement, and in parentheses, we are having this temp level. Based on what the user is going to enter, 0 for low case is going to be implemented, medium for 1 if the user entered, the medium case is going to be implemented, and the message is medium, enjoy the weather. And in case the user enters 0, the low case is going to be implemented, which shows the message wear a jacket. And when the temperature is high, it says hi, stay hydrated. And if neither of these numbers are entered, we just show this message to the user invalid input. So when I run this code, it says enter temperature level. So 0 for low, 1 for medium, and 2 for high. Whatever I enter, it is going to be stored in temp level. So I enter 0. I enter 0, it says low, wear a jacket. So low equals 0 and temp level equals 0. Therefore, this case is going to be implemented, low, wear a jacket. So when I run the code one more time and I enter number 1, it says medium, enjoy the weather. It says medium, enjoy the weather. Why? Because temp level equals 1 and medium equals 1 as well. So this case is going to be implemented, and this message is shown in the output. And when I run one more time and I enter 2, it says hi, stay hydrated, because high equals 2, temp level equals 2. So the high case is going to be implemented, and this message is shown in the output. And if I enter any number that is not the chosen numbers, it is going to show me the message invalid input, which is the default case that we have in switch statement in C++. Thank you for watching.